You're my sweetest addiction.
Ako para sa akin, money itself does not complicate your relationship. I think what complicates it is your perspective of money. Kasi, syempre, kapag hindi kayo parehas ng perspective sa pera, yun yung komplikado. And hindi naman may iwasan yung pera eh. So, alam mo yun, it's not an option na iwasan yung pera. A lot of problems can be solved by money, di ba?
But,
Hindi naman natin sinasabing everything.
Also, a lot of problems nanggagaling sa money.
A lot of problems also may arise from because of money. It's a matter of setting proper expectation between your
Nga,
partner.
pag-usapan nyo nga.
And establish mo lang yung perspective mo para magkaroon kayo ng understanding sa isa't isa. In that way, it will not complicate things. If you understand your partner's perspective about money, you will understand kung paano kayo mag-meet halfway or at least kung ano magiging usapan nyo. Maybe in saving money, spending money, or kung saan iaalat yung pera nyo, or kung hati ba kayo sa pera, or kung kanya-kanya kayo sa pera, or may sarili siyang pera, whatsoever. So, kung iintindihin nyo yung perspective ng isa't isa, hindi siya magiging komplikado.